Hey guys, Coaster Planet. This is my third Cedar Fair park that I've been to. We're here at America's Roller Coast, Cedar Point. As you can notice, Top Thrill Dragster will be closed for the rest of this year, so we won't be able to get on that for sure. So to kick things off, we're gonna head over to Steel Vengeance, one of my most anticipated coasters that I've been wanting to ride. And also, we have Beat Back View. This is one of the newer restaurants. Here's Magnum XL 200. So you can enter here, you can enter through the Lynn Seeker, you can enter through Valraven, so pretty cool. So, this Top Thrill Dragster looks very big. Way up there. Yeah. There is Steel Vengeance. We're gonna head over there right now. Here's Gemini. They do have a slingshot, but it's upcharged, so we probably won't do that during our visit. So, yeah, where's Gemini? We're not gonna ride Gemini just yet, but we're gonna go ahead and head on to Steel Vengeance first. So, I'm kind of liking it so far, visiting Cedar Point, but probably will not come back here at all. But we're here now. We're Pipe Scream Missions Camp Snoopy. I think this is the Gemini Midway. I think I'm wrong. This is Gemini Midway. So Steel Vengeance is still quite far from here. So yeah, everything looks big in person, to be honest. So yeah, Steel Vengeance is running smooth today. Well, I'm not scared at all. I do love hybrids from RMC. I know this is Colossus, it's almost the same thing. This one's actually a lot bigger. This one does not run 2 tracks, but they say this is one of the best rides here at the park. So yeah, and then here's their slingshot. But we're almost there to Steel Vengeance. So just take a look at that massive hill. Okay, now I'm here in the Frontier Town section. This is where Steel Vengeance and Maverick are. So we're right now gonna try to fall in line for Steel Vengeance, and I'll tell you guys what you think, but I can't really give you a far in-depth review until I post a video or so. But I'm excited that I'll be riding my second hybrid coaster from RMC. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, there it is, guys. Steel Vengeance. We are now gonna fall in line. I'm gonna ride this bad boy and see how great this ride actually is. Look, it's coming off the drop right now. Let's see. Here it goes. Okay, so Steel Vengeance was a crazy ride. Absolutely enjoyed it. Way better than Colossus by far. And of course, many customers would agree that Steel Vengeance will be a lot better than that one behind me. Steel Vengeance is my favorite ride. My new favorite ride ever ridden. Bigger hybrid, faster, more inversions, love it. New hybrid, RMC. Okay, we're gonna ride Maverick next. We're gonna fall in line. This is actually Intamin Blitz coaster. First actual Intamin multi-launch coaster. I haven't ridden an Intamin multi-launch coaster like this, so it will be my first time. We're done right here. Maverick. First ever ride on an Intamin Blitz. Very crazy ride. Launches are so kind of fierce. Love it. They were running all 4 trains on this, so bravo to the Cedar Point team. They're running all 4 cars, I think, and it looks like their dispatches are faster. But the line was for like about 30 minutes, like half an hour wait. I know, crazy line, isn't it? Excuse me. I think Maverick goes upside down twice, meaning it has 2 inversions. Yeah, this is my second ride This was my second ride of the day here at Cedar Point. I'm loving this park right so far. Next up, we're gonna go to Gemini, and then I think we're gonna grab some lunch. Okay, got off Gemini. This is probably gonna be one of the worst rides at the park. Blue side was closed, the red side was running, but if you come to Cedar Point, just ride for the credit. I mean, it was kind of jerky everywhere. You didn't really get that much airtime, like floater or ejector. You have a lap bar, but I just didn't enjoy it, so I will not ride it again after today. So, not my favorite. So we're eating in Coaster's Dine-In. We're actually eating in Coaster's Dine-In. Sorry about the talking. We're sitting inside. As you can see, this is corkscrew. I think this is what we're gonna go on next. I got burger and French fries at Coaster's Drive-In. So this is my lunch. Just got off the Sky Ride. We're actually in a different location in the park. We're now here in the Gatekeeper Midway. Now we're gonna ride Blue Streak. I think this is the last ride. I don't know. We'll see. But sorry for the blurry video. But yeah. Okay, so I've been to a couple gift shops, still looking for a Steel Vengeance Nano, and checked already 2 gift shops. We didn't see anything. Also, the Millennium Force aesthetics, I don't think they're in production yet. I don't think they're up for sale. Maybe they're still producing them, because like I said before, they're not easy to make. And then here comes the Gatekeeper dropping off the lift right now. We're actually by Gatekeeper. We're in the Gatekeeper Plaza right now, I think. No, this is the Midway, I think. Cedar Point Midway, I guess. The downside is they don't have the actual park maps anymore. You have to download it in an app, which kind of sucks, because taking a park map home is for souvenirs, so that day you visited, you have a park map. Here comes Gatekeeper going through its course, goes over the twist, and then that mid-course brake run. There is the Ocean Motion right there in the background swinging, and then you can't really see the rest. So yeah. Okay, just got off Raptor. This is actually my 4th B&M inverted coasters. I rode Flight Deck at Great America, Bam on the Ride at Magic Mountain and Silver Bullet, and then now this. So by far this is my favorite B&M invert. By far, it's longer, faster, so I like this way better. I like this way better than the other inverts I've ridden in the past. Might do a review on this coming soon. So unfortunately, just found out Steel Vengeance Nano Coaster and the Millennium Force aesthetics are sold out. They said you can only buy them online. They don't have it in any gift shop. So if you come here and visit, you'll end up being disappointed to get a Nano Coaster or aesthetics model to buy it online. So first of all, next we're gonna ride the Force. So many of you guys probably wondering what I rode next. Well, I just got off Corkscrew. That's probably one of the bad rides here at Cedar Point. I highly suggest they should go with the Vekoma trains, like what they did for Blue Hawk. I think putting out in Vekoma trains would really help that roughness to be gone. So it's really a pain. I also review the ride, but you know, I'm letting you guys know, probably not gonna be one of your favorites. Okay, next, I think the last ride is Gatekeeper, because we're out of time actually. We probably got to do some stuff, so probably gonna be a little busy later. But Gatekeeper. So really quick, my dad doesn't let me ride dive coasters, and so he will find out anyway, because what do you call this? He will just figure it out. But he's afraid those restraints might open during that first drop. So don't expect me to go on dive coasters. And also, we don't have time to go to Millennium, so I totally missed that credit. So we're out of time actually. I think it's interesting to point out they're actually getting coaster next year, but it's only a family coaster. It's said to be a Zamperla spinning coaster, those newer designs from Zamperla. It's opening, looks like it's going to be opening summer of 2023, but I won't be coming back, so I won't be able to see this coaster in person. But what's cool is they're going to put in a new restaurant where Wicked Twister once stood, and you can get a nice view of Lake Erie while you're eating or drinking. It's really nice. So I'm glad they're making a new facelift in this area, and they're relocating two rides, the Matterhorn and the Scrambler. They're actually located right now in Corkscrew. So those flat rides will be relocated to the boardwalk. Just right in this fence here, this big wall. Alright guys, it is a wrap for Cedar Point. Unfortunately, we're out of time. This was the last ride I've been on, Gatekeeper. First ever B&M Wing Coaster. Hopefully I'll get to others. This is, I'll review the coaster, but it's kind of fun. I also rode another B&M Raptor today, for the invert. So, we're just gonna head on out. I think I had a blast today here at Cedar Point. Kind of a big park. At least this is my third Cedar Fair park I've been to. The others are Knott, Berry Farm, and California Good America. So this is my third Cedar Fair park. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna sign off. So unfortunately, I don't have time to ride Millennium Force and Magnum XL 200. So, and you know, that's fine. Sometimes people don't have time to ride everything. So I'm gonna sign off, and I'm currently staying at Hotel Breakers. See you soon. Bye.